Beverly Relays?
No, what is it?
It is the 27th annual Beverly Memorial Track Meet. Are you participating?
When is it and what can I do?
It's on Monday, May 23rd at the Get Bigger track. You can do field events or running events.
What do you meet?
You can do field events, which are shot put, discus, high jump, and long jump. Running events, 50 meter, 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, and the 4x1 relay.
Does it cost anything?
Nope. It's free for everyone. 5th and 6th graders can participate. It starts at 3:45 and for field events and 4 o'clock for running events. Hope to see you there. Good luck.